Coming very soon is the Ulefone Pad 3 Pro. This is another rugged tablet with an insanely large battery capacity, guys. According to the details, the Pad 3 Pro is equipped with a 33,280 mAh battery, guys, and it supports 66 watts fast charging as well as 10 watts reverse wire charging, which means the device can be used to charge other devices. The device is also equipped with a dual triangular shaped super bright camping lights with a max brightness of about 1100 lumens, guys. The phone has a 10.36 inch 2K display and it has Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The peak brightness of the display is about 500 nits, which means it's not too bright, but it's okay. This is a tablet, you don't want it to be too bright. In terms of camera, the phone has a single 50MP rear camera and a 32MP front facing camera. The phone is also powered by the MediaTek MT8780S processor paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The phone ships with the Android 13, and of course it's the stock version of Android. There's no custom skin on top, which is nice. You'll be getting a much more fluid, a much more optimized OS with almost no bloatware. Just great, guys. So this is a rugged tablet, which means it is rated IP68 and IP69K. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports NFC. Surprisingly, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. It supports FM radio. It supports glove mode, which means you could still be able to operate the device while wearing gloves. It also supports face unlock, and it is also military grade standard 810H certified. So these are just the top features of the Ulefone Pad 3 Pro. The device is currently available on AliExpress for about $559. It is expected to launch in May, so that's when we will know its original price, because this price currently is kind of like a placeholder price, not its original price. Okay, anyway, I'll definitely share more details about the device in the coming days or weeks, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. What are your thoughts about this device? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.